Ba't nandito nga?
Namiss kita eh.
Kiss nga, kiss. Kiss rin kita eh.
Guys, grabe yung tripod nila.
Ano yan? Ba't may baril? Anong alien technology siguro?
Guys, lugi kami. Tiyan mo yung hawak namin, cellphone yan.
Kamay lang guys, kamay. Not alien technology. Look at that.
Oh my god, it's sketchy. Oh my god.
I'm the guy from Karate Kid.
Rich Brian.
Thank you for listening.
Alright. Thank you so much for...
Definitely, if you're gonna do content creation, you have to enjoy it. Don't pressure yourself. Don't force yourself to do this. Because at the end of the day, we check in. Kami, hotel, kasi usually, you check in, di ba? Guys, once again, di ko alam na nandito yan.
Ba't hindi pusa, pre?
Thank you for watching!